Full body workout. Build power, real strength, and real muscle faster than ever, then this full body workout is for you. No tricks, no overcomplicated routines, just powerful movements that work. Today, I'm going to guide you through a complete full body workout designed to help you grow stronger, look better, and feel unstoppable. Stay until the end because I'll show you how to progress each week so you never hit a plateau. Let's start with why full body training works so well. When you train your entire body in a single session, you activate more muscles, burn more energy, and create a bigger stimulus for growth. Instead of splitting your week into tiny workouts, you hit the major muscle groups more often, and that means faster results, especially if you're busy. Before we lift, warm up for 5 minutes. Light cardio, mobility for hips and shoulders, and a few easy bodyweight squats. Warming up protects your joints and prepares your nervous system for heavy work. Now, the workout. First exercise, squats. This is the foundation of power. Go for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Keep your chest up, sit back into your hips, and drive through your heels. Think strong and stable. If it feels easy, increase the load, but never sacrifice form. Next, move to bench press or push-ups, 3 sets of 8 to 10. Control the weight down, pause lightly, and press explosively up. This movement builds your chest, shoulders, and triceps all at once. Third exercise, bent over rows, 3 sets of 10 to 12. Pull your elbows back, keep your spine neutral, and squeeze your back at the top. Strong pulling strength protects your shoulders and improves posture. Fourth, deadlifts, 2 or 3 sets of 6 to 8. This is a true power builder. Glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and core working together. Start lighter than you think, master the technique, then gradually increase your weight. Next, overhead shoulder press, 3 sets of 10. Stand tall, brace your core, and press smoothly overhead. This creates width and strength through the upper body. Finish with core work, planks and leg raises, 2 rounds. A strong core supports every lift you do. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. If the weight feels comfortable, you're not challenging your body to grow. Each week, try to add 1 more rep or a little more weight. Small progress adds up. Now let's talk recovery. Muscle doesn't grow during the workout. It grows while you rest. Eat enough protein, fuel your training with good carbs, drink water, and aim for at least 7 hours of sleep. Consistency beats intensity. Train this routine 2 to 3 times per week, and in a few weeks, you'll notice more strength, better control, and visible muscle gains. Remember, show up, stay patient, and push yourself safely. If you found this helpful, save the video, share it with a friend, and let me know in the comments which exercise you struggle with most. Keep training, keep growing, and build power faster than ever. Subscribe to the channel and follow the upcoming workouts.